Welcome. Today, we invite you inside the exclusive world of ultra-luxury champagne production, a meticulous process where ancient tradition meets high-precision industrial engineering. This is the untold journey of how three noble grapes, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Pinot Meunier, are transformed into the world's most celebrated sparkling wine. Our operation begins with the intake and sorting. Automated optical sensors meticulously scan every single cluster, ensuring that only the finest, highest-grade fruit passes through to the pneumatic presses. Here, the pressure is precisely controlled to separate the purest Cuvée juice from the subsequent Pallier fractions. This initial separation is crucial and digitally controlled by a complex network of gleaming stainless steel pipes and valves. The clear juice then flows into colossal, temperature-regulated vats for primary alcoholic fermentation. Inside our sterile lab, scientists prepare specialized yeast and nutrient cultures, managing the liquid with clinical precision. This control extends to the next critical step, malolactic conversion, monitored by sophisticated instruments to soften the wine's acidity. After clarification via high-speed centrifuges, we arrive at the assemblage or blending. This is the heart of champagne, where cellar masters, guided by digital logs and their refined palates, combine base wines across different years and vineyards to construct the house's signature style. Once the final Cuvée blend is confirmed, it is transferred to the high-speed bottling line. Here, the liqueur de tirage, a measured mixture of sugar and yeast, is added with millimeter accuracy. The bottles are swiftly sealed with crown caps and immediately moved by robotic arms into the deep, cool, and silent chalk cellars, or caves, for the longest rest. In these vast subterranean halls, the secondary fermentation, or prise de mousse, commences, the slow internal process that creates the wine's enduring effervescence and forms the necessary sediment, known as the lees. After years of aging, the process accelerates. The sediment must be collected. While a few specialty vintages still receive the expert human touch of manual riddling on pupitras, the vast majority are processed by automated gyro pallets. These massive industrial cages rhythmically rotate the bottles, concentrating the sediment perfectly into the bottleneck. Once verified by intense optical checks, the bottles proceed to the neck freezing station, instantly forming a frozen plug of yeast. The line then moves into the high-speed, synchronized process of disgorgement. A specialized mechanical arm swiftly pries off the crown cap, and the internal pressure forcefully expels the frozen sediment. Instantly, the defining element is added, the dosage, or liqueur d'expédition, a precise blend of reserve wine and sugar that determines the wine's final sweetness level. The bottle is immediately secured with a powerful insertion of the natural cork and the protective wire cage, or muselet. Every bottle is then shaken briefly for homogenization, receives a sophisticated crimp foil wrap, or coiffe, and passes through the multi-stage labeling machine at continuous speed. The final product is subject to intense scrutiny. High-resolution vision systems verify label placement and fill level, and an inline checkware ensures consistency before the final automated packaging begins. The journey concludes in the logistics bay. High-speed robotic arms assemble the cases onto pallets, which are secured with heavy-duty wrap and affixed with an RFID security tag for global traceability. The journey concludes in the logistics bay, where high-speed robotic arms assemble the cases onto pallets, which are secured with heavy-duty wrap and affixed with an RFID security tag for global traceability. The goods are loaded onto specialized temperature-controlled trucks with their security sealed with a numbered bolt, ready for export. A testament to the flawless fusion of scientific precision and industrial elegance that defines ultra-luxury champagne.